do
Good morning, friends, teachers, and judges. Today we are going to tell you about our IPW project, Use Motor Oil, the Incredible Ink. I am Tim.
I am Alif.
I am Bradley.
And I am Dylan.
Today, our project is using used motor oil to create a board marker ink. So the materials needed are used motor oil, water, flour, strainer, and 2 containers. And so what you need to do is pour 1 coffee cup of oil in the 2 containers, in one of the 2 containers. Add another cup of water into the mixture, and then pour a final cup of flour as well. And then after that, we need to mix it and then strain the mixture. And then after a few minutes, apply to the marker. Now my friend Bradley will discuss about the questions asked.
So the question asked at the beginning of the project is this product plentiful? The answer, yes it is. It is very plentiful and can be made anywhere in the world. The process as well as the result is also very simple and straightforward. Now my friend Alif is gonna tell you about the result and conclusion. Result and abstract results.
You are all probably wondering, use motor oil for ink. Whoever had heard of that? Is it even possible? Well, it is. It has the same and better characteristics of the usual marker ink. But the most important part of it is that it recycles the used motor oil that was produced by cars and other vehicles. It is also much better than the usual ink. So by using this effective ink, we can benefit the earth as well as ourselves. Go green, everybody! Teachers and other people in offices use markers for discussing things almost every day. They can use for our motor oil ink to write, teach, and present on the whiteboard. This product is very useful for our everyday life. So you can use recycled motor oil ink to write on whiteboards. Now my friend Dylan will discuss the conclusions and results.
The conclusion is this oil marker ink is incredibly beneficial. It helps the earth not waste new things and also does something for us as well. It is less smelly and more plentiful than the usual ink. Plus, it makes a great ink and a saver to nature. Now is the result. This product could help in reducing the waste of ink in the world. It also helps in keeping your savings. This ink does not have any bad scent. It is also eco-friendly and renewable.
Thank you for your attention.
Thank you.
Try our ink.
What is that?
Oh, that's the ink.
Oh, this is the ink. What's the first layer?
It's the flour and water.
This one.
That's some of the excess water.
How did you take out?
And then the oil.
Where's the oil?
The oil is the top layer.
This one.
And that's the one you use for ink?
Yeah.
And do you have this is your,
Yes.
this is it? Can you use it just on paper or?
Yeah, you can use it on paper as well.
And
whiteboards.
what else?
Whiteboards.
You can use this on whiteboards?
Yes.
Really? But it's very light, huh?
Yeah, it's kind of wet. It hasn't really dried off yet.
I don't see the color. Have you used this before where it comes out darker?
Sorry, you have to stay here, dear.
to shake it a bit. before you
Okay.
So you can also exercise.
Yeah.
use it. It's wet.
Where did you get the motor oil?
Well, my friend Olive, his grandfather runs like a car thing, so he got the use motor oil.
Where did you get the idea?
Actually, our teacher suggested it. This grade suggested it, so we tried it out. And it was the result.
How do you think you can improve your presentation? Do you think it would be better if you have here the use motor oil and then how you
I think we have to use motor oil.
I'm just curious. Did you think about adding color to it? Did you try that?
Yeah, we were thinking of adding like food coloring maybe, but we didn't have enough time for that.
Did you do any research on this?
Actually, this is a very nice project. There could be a lot of modifications that you can make to make this an excellent product.
I just wonder what's the purpose of the flower? What makes it the flower?
So how did you take out the smell?
Well, when we mix it with the water and the flour, I think the smell is like
Probably what product here without the smell of this?
probably the flour.
Did you not make any more research about it so that you know how it happened?
Yeah, we asked our teacher more questions like that. I tried to search it on the internet, but didn't do much really. Just much of it.
How much time do you think you'd estimate that you put into this?
For the project, we did try the project many times. Our first try wasn't really that good because it was too much water. The second time was good.